Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. And do I have something special for you this week? Oh yes, I do. Now, this month, September, the American Library Association, and they call it the ALA, they're going to have a special month, and it's called Library Card Sign-Up Month. And what we want is for everybody to come in and sign up for a library card if you don't have one, or renew your card if you do. So the craft for this week is going to be, guess who? WW, Wonder Woman. Because she is the ambassador for the sign-up month. And you know what she says? She is wonderful, and so is the library. So Wonder Woman, she wants you to come and get her. She's going to be in a little package that looks like this. Now, she's not put together. You're going to get hair. Oh, a paper bag because she's a puppet. You're going to get her, what should we call these, embellishments, and a star. And this is her outfit right here. And you'll put her all together with a little glue or a glue stick and some scissors. And when you get finished, this is what she's going to look like. And she's going to say, get to the library and sign up for a library card today. And this is your own little Wonder Woman puppet that you can keep. And guess what? Did you know that Wonder Woman was actually the very first female or woman in the Justice League? Yep, she's a member of the Justice League, and she's our very personal welcome to you to come sign up. So get your craft, and also there'll be a couple little games in here, word search, and a little word game for you to play at home. Come get her. She'll be at the pickup at the back, or you can come to the library now and get her. So she says, get a library card. It's wonderful, and so am I. So we'll see you soon. Bye.